Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and I'm here today to tell you about my plant of the week, and that is this Jazz Hands Variegated Lorapetalum. This is just one of the coolest looking plants I think you can have in your garden. The foliage on it comes out when it flushes in spring. It has more of a green tint to it, and then it starts slowly turning to this purples and pinks, and then it starts turning to having the white and light pink variegation in the leaves. So it's really unique in that it is a lorapetalum, and most people go, oh, lorapetalum, it's going to grow like a weed. Well, this one is supposed to be about 4 to 5 foot and about 4 to 5 foot wide. And it actually keeps its shape really well. I planted 3 of these at my house because I didn't believe that it would be a very strong plant because of the variegation. And it has done wonderful, and it's maintained a really compact look, very little trimming, not much I ever do to it besides fertilize it. And anytime you do prune this, then you get the fuchsia flowers. So it does bloom with the little fuchsia flowers in spring, and then you usually get another in fall, but anytime you tip these or trim any of it off, it's going to throw blooms. So that also makes it unique, and kind of make it bloom when you want to. So this looks awesome with like Sunshine Ligustrum, some yellow grass, anything like that to give it a contrast, or it can just make a nice hedge. Makes this great for a border or a hedge. So come on down and check out the Jazz Hands Variegated Lorapetalum.